Hi! In front of me is iPhone 15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off adaptive brightness. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Display and Brightness. Following that, scroll down just a bit and click on the gray sweater next to True Tone, located under Brightness slider. So when I click, as you can see, Auto Brightness is on. But you can always switch it off by tapping on the same, now green sweater. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!